Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another interesting recipe from the Konkani cuisine. We'll be seeing how to prepare batata humman. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, gooseberry-sized tamarind, 5 to 6 Kashmiri dry red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder, and finally salt as per taste. Firstly, to begin with, peel the outer skin of the potatoes with the help of a peeler. Later chop them into medium-sized cubes and transfer this into a pressure cooker. Add 1 glass of water and close this with a lid and pressure cook this for minimum 3 to 4 whistles in medium to high flame. In the meantime, take a mixer jar and into that transfer the dry red chili, turmeric powder, gooseberry sized tamarind and the freshly grated coconut along with little water and grind this into a fine paste. Once the pressure comes down, open the pressure cooker lid and check if the potatoes are well cooked. Make sure the potatoes are not overcooked and is of the right consistency as shown in the video. Next, into this, add the previously prepared ground masala paste and give everything a good mix. Add 1 to 2 cup of water and mix everything well. Now cook this in medium to high flame, and once the gravy starts boiling, into this add salt as per taste and mix everything well. Now allow the batata humman to boil and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in medium to high flame. Once your gravy is well cooked and the oil starts separating on the top, into this add the hing or asafoetida powder and mix everything well. Now cook this for another 2 more minutes and switch off the flame, and right before serving add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil on top and give everything a good mix. Now your delicious batata humman is ready. This is usually had as a side dish along with rice or even shevai or shevige. So do try this recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.